This song comes from the Copper family of Sussex, and they called it Down by the Green Grove or The Birds in the Spring. But I've changed it a little bit to fit the current circumstances, so now I think it's probably better called By the Back Door or The Birds of Lockdown.
One July morning early I chanced for to roam right out my back door to the rear of my home. And there I could hear the birds sing all around. And you never heard so sweet, you never heard so sweet, you never heard so sweet as the birds in lockdown. At the edge of the decking I sat myself down. The songs of the blackbirds they echoed around. Their notes were so charming, their voices so clear. No music, no songster, no music, no songster, no music, no songster could with them compare. Now all who'd come here, the small birds to hear, if you're in my bubble, I'd have you draw near. For now I've grown old, I still have this to say. I never heard so sweet, I never heard so sweet, I never heard so sweet as the birds on the spray.